Disney for Seniors website introduction. It's finally here. The Disney for Seniors website is now live. And just like Disneyland and Walt Disney World resorts, the Disney for Seniors website will be in a continual state of evolving, lots of improvement. Over time, it will contain more and more resources to enhance the Disney experience of Disney-loving seniors. The purpose of this video is to introduce the companion website to the Disney for Seniors Facebook group. It does have a unique URL or website address, so stay to the end of this video for the website URL address reveal, if, that is, you have not already figured it out for yourself. With that, let's take a look now at how the Disney for Seniors website has been organized. As of Thursday, December the 5th, 2024, this is what the homepage looks like. You see immediately in the upper left area the banner with the logo of the Disney for Seniors Facebook group. Over to the right of the banner, of course, you will see the website name, Disney for Seniors, along with the objective of our community, whether it is here on the website or in the Facebook group. If you want to see the most recent articles published, simply scroll down the web page. If you find one that interests you, simply click on the link to open it. Beneath the most current articles, there is also the Trending Now section and the Popular Posts section. Okay, back to the top. Let's look a little closer at the part in the dark blue at the very top of the homepage, starting in the right corner. See that tiny magnifying glass way up in the right corner? If you click on it, the screen goes black like this with the search field. For example, if I type the word lightning, because I want to find information on Disney's Lightning Lane, we see there are currently 5 separate articles contained on our Disney for Seniors website with that word. So, using the search function can possibly be easier than using the navigation menus. If you use your mouse to click on the first article here on the left, you will open that article. Once the article opens, you can then scroll down to start reading the article, or you can open the YouTube video contained in the article should you have one, just like this. Is Disney's Lightning Lane worth it at Disney's Animal Kingdom? In the Disney for Seniors Facebook group, there has been a lot of discussion whether the replacement for Genie Plus is worth the cost. So, okay, let's pause that and let's continue. If we scroll down further, we see this, the word pages. Many of the articles on your Disney for Seniors website are quite long. To make them easier to read, they have both subheadings and are broken out into multiple pages. What we see here is that we are on page 1. To continue reading the article, simply click on the number 2. And once the screen has refreshed, simply scroll down to continue reading. Let's return to the front or home page of the Disney for Seniors website. We just need to click the home button in the far left corner up at the top. This tiny magnifying glass search function provides the same search results as does this, the live search oval, just beneath the medium blue header still over on the right. Now, next to the home button is the contact button and the About Us buttons, which everyone finds on any website. Next, we see the word YouTube over on the upper right. Click that link and it will take you to our Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney YouTube channel. If you want to return to our Disney for Seniors Facebook group, simply click on the Facebook group link right next to the YouTube link. And now for the navigation menus. Here is how we've organized the material in the Disney for Seniors website. The articles and information in your website are presently organized into the 4 groupings you see across the top. Let's start with the grouping I think most of us will spend most of the time in, Parks and Resorts. If I place my mouse or cursor over the Parks and Resort group, we can see the first level of subgroups, from Walt Disney World all the way through Tokyo Disney Resort. Let's stay for a minute looking at the groupings for Walt Disney World. Simply moving the cursor over to Walt Disney World and leaving it there will reveal the next level of groupings, all of which relate to Walt Disney World. You can see all of the different grouping levels that exist today under Walt Disney World by doing that. There's another arrow or greater than sign to the right of Theme and Water Parks. Move your mouse over to it and you will see all 4 of the Walt Disney World theme parks, plus the 2 Disney water parks at Walt Disney World. For Walt Disney World resorts, because there are so many, we have organized all of these resorts in Walt Disney World into their deluxe, moderate, and value groupings that Disney uses. And Disney resorts are further grouped as shown here. Since Disneyland Resort is not as large as Walt Disney World Resort, you can see that we have just one level within the Disneyland grouping. Okay, let's have some fun. Let's say we are looking for any articles or information on, say, Disney's Wilderness Lodge Resort. Let's take that one. We can navigate using the menus without having to type anything, like this. And there we see the 3 articles which relate to this particular Disney resort currently residing within the Disney for Seniors website. Let's try one more in the Parks and Resorts grouping. Let's see if there are any articles so far for Aulani, a Disney resort and spa. And this one is just a little bit tricky, which is why I'm showing it to you here using the Parks and Resorts grouping. Parks and Resorts, Disneyland Resort, then Aulani, a Disney resort and spa. Sure, Aulani is not physically located in Southern California, yet you have every possible situation for every individual Disney resort would make your website unmanageable. So, we decided to put it in the Disneyland grouping, at least for now. The next major group, over to the right, is Disney Cruise Line. Presently, there are 2 subgroups as you can see. The Ensuring Your Disney Cruise Mobility article was contributed by a Disney for Seniors community member, Roseanne Hirsch. I'm having a tad of technical issues trying to have Roseanne shown as the author. I'm placing, therefore, a note, as you can see, right beneath the picture of the wooden model of the Disney Wish to give credit where credit is due to Roseanne. The next grouping to the right is videos. This was recommended by a member of the Disney for Seniors Facebook group, so I added it. The first entry will be this video. The 4th grouping, as you can see on the far right, is called Resources. It has the current categories shown here, separating out resources specific to Walt Disney World versus Disneyland Resorts, and a few more. Quickly now, let's take a look at how the Disney for Seniors website appears on a smartphone. Notice it appears as one long column. There is no dark blue menu at the very top. There is no tagline or objective. There is no menu stretching across the bottom of the header. This, the home page, shows the most recent article published on the website at the top. Scrolling down, the next article that is shown is the second most recent article published, and so on. Back to the top, look over to the right with the 3 horizontal lines above the word menu. This is where you will find the same menu to use for navigation purposes, just as on the laptop or desktop version. It is simply presented differently. If you click on that menu icon, you are presented with the same 4 groupings from Parks and Resorts through to Resources. And if you scroll down just a tad, you see the same links to our YouTube channel and the Disney for Seniors Facebook group. To return to the home page, simply click on that large X in the upper right-hand corner. I think I'll stop there for now. Feel free to navigate around the website, and hopefully you will find resources to help you, a senior, with your future Disney parks, Disney resorts, or Disney cruise experiences. And yes, we are looking, as mentioned previously, for volunteers who would be willing to contribute articles on their experiences at any Disney park, resort, or cruise from a senior's perspective that will help other seniors. One last thing, right? I have not forgotten. What is the URL for this, our companion website to the Disney for Seniors Facebook group? The website address is www.disney, the number 4, and the word seniors.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.